Welcome back children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In previous class, we already studied about what is percentage and how we convert percentage into fraction and fraction into percentage. Now today we are going to learn about convert into percentage into decimals and decimals into percentage. So let's learn. Converting decimals to percentage. So let's solve one example. Convert 0.5 decimal into percentage. We will use two simple methods. In method first, to convert decimals into percentage, first write the given decimal into its fractional form, that is 5 upon 10, and then convert it into percentage. So, here 5 upon 10 multiply by 100%. Now cancel 10 to 10 and multiply 5 into 10. So, we get 50%. So, 0.5 is equal to 50%. Now see method 2. We can also multiply the given decimal by 100 or just move the decimal point 2 places to the right and then put the percentage symbol. So children, like this we can convert decimals to percentage. Now see converting percentage to decimal. So example, convert 57% into decimals. So to convert a percentage to decimal, we drop the percentage sign and divide it by 100, that is 57 upon 100, and shift the decimal 2 places backwards, that is 0.57. So children, like this we can convert percentage to decimal. Now let's see what do you mean by average. The average of two or more numbers is defined as the sum of all the given observations divided by the total number of observations. We find out the average of the group of number by adding up all the numbers, dividing the total by how many numbers they were. Therefore, average is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations. Now, let's us see how to find the average with the help of example. Find out the average of these 5 numbers 4, 6, 9, 12 and 14. To find the average, follow steps given below. First step, find out the sum of all the 5 numbers. So, sum of all these 5 numbers is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 14, which is equal to 45. Now, in step 2, write the number of observation. So, there are 5 numbers. So, the number of observation is equal to 5. Now, in step 3, find the average. So, average is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations. So, here sum of all the observations is equal to 45 and number of observations is equal to 5. So, divide 45 by 5, which is equal to 9. Thus, the average of 5 number is 9. I hope you understood this topic very well. Now, I want you to do the rest exercise at home. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care and bye-bye.